I really had some incredible experiences in my journey while I was away for YouTube, and I didn't capture much video, but I'm going to try to upload some clips, and I did take some pics so I can make a slideshow, possibly. I'm trying to get that on my computer from the camera phone. As usual, the technical challenges. I wanted to share with you some of the main points as I had described before I signed off in August. I was looking to simplify, and it probably had more to do with my physical surroundings, my residence, than it had to do with this technology of the internet. But that just comes along with it. Just kind of pulled it along, you know. Since I was going to leave my residence, I was also going to lose the internet subscription, and I was heading to an area where there just wasn't any internet, and a lot of times, or well, I should say just about all the time, there wasn't any electricity. So that was a challenge of roughing it, and it was great. There were some beautiful places, and I'll try to show you some, but this adventure's only just begun, so you're going to see more.